cause it.
Today I'm doing a video all on my everyday soft glam makeup look. I literally do this every time I step out the house for more than 30 minutes. So yeah, I thought I would share with y'all, especially because y'all have been like loving the look. I've been posting a lot more on TikTok and a lot of y'all were like really into the look. Yes, if y'all want to see this look, keep on watching.
So I'm using the NYX Tame and Frame tinted brow pomade in the shade brunette, and I'm just going to use that and fill in my brows. Now I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer and Natural, but I forgot to moisturize my face, so yeah, I'm using a Jergens moisturizer. Really good, smells really nice, and you know, we're getting in the neck, all of that, and then I'm going to go ahead and carve out my brows as well as put this underneath my eye. Now I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus powder to set everything in the shade Banana. Love it so much because I'm nice and yellow toned. So yes, and I'm going to use my NYX matte bronzer in the shade Deep Tan, and just going to contour and carve out my face. This is the Ardell Blush Me Harder Rouge Blush in Biggest Flirt in Route 69. And I'm also taking the Ulta Radiant palette and using the highlighting shade and highlighting for Filth. Love this palette so much, so cheap. And I'm going to go in with the Duo Brush and Adhesive Glue in dark. And you might clock me for how I put it on, but it's what works for me. So yes, in the meantime, while that's drying, I'm going to go in with my NYX lip liner in Cappuccino. Love, love, love that shade. And now my eyelashes are ready to go on. These are the INV lashes in number 4. So cheap, but so good. I love them so, so much. Now I love lip gloss, so I'm using the NYX Butter Gloss and Fortune Cookie. I mean, come on, look at it. It's bomb, bro. Like, so cute. And that, my friends, is the finished look.
I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what you want to see next, because it helps me a lot. Also, you know, I want to give you content you want to see. So yes, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to stay alerted whenever I post, which is rarely, but I'm trying to get back into certain things, especially with this long break we're on. So yes, I love y'all so much and thank you for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video.